In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Gallery View. Gallery View is a fast, visual way to review a stock or ETF across multiple chart styles in one place, so you can move from a quick scan to deeper analysis without jumping between tools. Start by opening your web browser and heading to stockcharts.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top navigation bar for the Chart and Tools dropdown. Click it, then select Gallery View. This takes you to a page designed for rapid symbol lookup and multi-chart viewing. At the top, you'll see a symbol field. Type in a ticker symbol, like AAPL, then press Enter or click Go. In a moment, Gallery View will populate a set of coordinated charts for that symbol. The idea is to give you a broad snapshot, often a mix of trend, momentum, and price views, so you can quickly confirm what the stock is doing and decide where you want to focus next. As you scan the page, notice the title on each chart. Next to that title is an Actions menu. This is your gateway to deeper dives. Click the Actions menu when you want to switch the current view over to one of StockCharts' specialized tools. For example, SharpChart takes you to the standard, highly customizable charting workspace, great for fine-tuning indicators and annotations. Point and Figure shows price movement without time on the x-axis, which can help filter out noise and highlight breakouts and breakdowns. Seasonality reveals how the symbol has historically performed in each month of the year, useful for spotting recurring tendencies. PerfChart compares relative performance over a chosen period, helping you see how the symbol stacks up against peers or benchmarks. From that same Actions menu, you can also open historical data. This brings up a detailed record of past prices, which is handy for exporting or validating levels you see on the charts. And if you want more context or education, choose the option to jump to related articles about the symbol. Those links connect you with insights and commentary that may complement what you're seeing visually. If you want to review another symbol, return to the symbol field at the top of Gallery View, type the next ticker, and hit Enter. You'll get the same clear layout for fast, consistent scanning. That's all there is to it. Go to stockcharts.com, open Gallery View from the Chart and Tools menu, enter your ticker, then use the Actions menu beside each chart title to switch views, pull historical data, or explore related articles. It's a simple workflow that keeps your analysis organized and efficient.